Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my Christmas hair using this Cookoo Bohemian braids. Each of this pack comes with 16 strands and it comes in 8 packs. You can see this hair is very soft. Look at this. Bohemian braids. Each of this pack is 16 strands and it's very soft and gentle. You can see this. So nice. So nice. This is actually 14 inches. It comes in different inches. I don't want mine too long, so I opted for the 14 inches. Cookoo Bohemian braids. Awesome hair. Let's get started. We are done. Look at this. Shine and jam magic fingers. Look at this. And apply this. Look at this, everyone. Honestly, everyone, This is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. The link to purchasing this hair is gonna be on the description of this video. Kindly patronize them, and I'm very sure you will have a very good value for your money. Until we see again next time, bye.